Shenzhen Btree Industrial Co Limited, established in 2000, is one of the first high-tech enterprises focusing on static protective packaging materials and products. With an R&D team for antistatic agent, conductive polymer materials, and conductive nano materials, we use our self-researched antistatic agent to guarantee the product's ESD performance. Our main business are kinds of antistatic laminating film and related products, such as static shielding film, ESD moisture barrier film, nylon vacuum film, static shielding bubble film, ESD pink PE film, static shielding bag, ESD moisture bag, vacuum nylon bag, ESD pink PE bag, conductive black PE film and its bags. All above products are produced in clean rooms of 100 to 10,000 class to ensure they are dust-free. Our Huizhou located factory is equipped with advanced machines like coating machines, laminating machines, automatic bag making machines, slitting machines, blown film machines, and printing machines. We conducted strict quality inspection on each procedure, thus ensures products can meet the quality requirements of the industries like electronic, semiconductor, automobile, food, medical care, and more. Right now, our products certified by ISO 9001-2008 are widely used in CMOS, SMT, circuit boards, disk drives, and other ESD-sensitive components. With stable quality, competitive price, and on-time delivery, we are the regular supplier of many giants. Our products are sold to markets of America, Europe, Asia, Mid-East. Btree hope to be your best partner in the static protective industry.